So it is important that going ahead, we need to stop the use of plastics. We need to focus on materials that are biodegradable, that can melt and become part of our environment so that we can stay healthy. So I want to use this opportunity of the World Environment Day to call on the producers of plastics to switch to other methods that are more in tune with our environment. I want to call to all the supermarkets and all the shops that use plastics, come sign an understanding with us as a United Nations system that before the end of this year, we'll collectively stop the use of plastics in the Kyrgyz Republic. You might know that Kyrgyzstan sits on an ecosystem that's significantly affected by climate change. Last year, official reports from Kyrgyzstan showed that we had 12,000 earthquakes. Some of them are on a low scale, but it shows the challenges we have. Imagine if the intensity of the earthquakes begin to increase. So it is important that we begin to work on our biodiversity, our land, our forest, our natural resources, our water. We need to preserve and to protect them. And one of the most significant benefits for us when we protect them is that we can have more snow leopards, which is an important symbol of this wonderful country that is very unique among the countries in our region where you find the snow leopard. And we've hosted many snow leopard international fora to talk about preserving the snow leopard. And I think that Kyrgyzstan is recognized globally for its leadership of the work on snow leopard in protecting that animal. So there's a lot for us to do together. I promise you, both the government and the people of the Kyrgyz Republic, but also the State Agency for Environmental Protection and Forestry, that the United Nations system will work lock in step with you in this journey of protecting the environment and making our country a much healthier place for all the citizens of this wonderful country.